Carowinds has announced plans for Rip Roarin Falls, a new record-setting log flume ride from WhiteWater. The new Rip Roarin Falls will run for 2,240 feet and over 6 minutes. But the records come with its 2 drops, including one in a backwards section. It all happens thanks to a family of mischievous raccoons who have moved into this abandoned Carolina sod. Let's enjoy the concept POV courtesy Six Flags.